Today we are in Molinuco, and it is a bonus day due to a huge mistake from this guy. Can't believe we got to the hotel last night and found out our booking was for tonight, not last night. And we needed 2 extra nights and I had only booked 1, so huge mistake. What it means is we have an extra day, and we took a almost hour drive from the hotel near the airport to Molinuco, and we are going to go on some waterfall hikes. Very pretty drive here in the mountains outside of Quito, and very beautiful, and I hope we have a very excellent day.
They say back and forth is 3 hours.
Okay, so our driver is gonna pick us up in 5 hours. Actually at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Not till 6 hours. So okay. So looking at this place online last night, there were a lot of reviews of very pretty places, but how it's very badly kept up, and the trail was very falling apart, and the bridges are broken, the bathrooms aren't working. So
that's what we like. We like broken
very
trail.
rugged experience. Waterfalls behind the trees. Okay.
That's cool.
This
That's the other way.
is the dangerous part. Yeah, and that bridge has seen better days. And I just realized it actually keeps going up there too. That reminds me of Inca Trail Bridge. Okay, so she decided to risk it and go out on the bridge. I told her I can't save her if she falls in. Oh, this guy's fishing over there. Okay, so steps into a big log. I guess that's safer than it looked from afar, but hopefully you don't need the handrail. Yeah, that's what I say. From far away I couldn't see that there was a tree underneath it. Okay, different from any park in America, no guardrails. I was getting my picture taken. No guardrails. You can jump right in and swim down the waterfall if you want. You want to float down the waterfall? Hey, look at that. There's a trail over there. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so here is where I think our opportunity for a one-way hike, that according to the map we thought we were going to go one way and back up the road and then come back again. I think it's going to come to a dead end here.
No, it's not. There's a real continuous going.
If you take your shoes off.
No, there's a rock. You want to go first?
Well, I want to see what it's like. And underneath there is the backside of water. Cuidado!
I'd like to film any water crossing. It's fun.
That's what I was trying to figure out looking at the web pages last night. I don't think you'll find this kind of trail in the US.
Why?
Safety standards.
But the people just doesn't mark everything. You can go to unmarked
Yep.
places.
This is fun. Very steep, and they add these trees, these trunks on the side to hold on to. And you can see it's very muddy and very steep. We just passed a lot of people coming back from this waterfall, and they are all completely drenched, like taking a shower. So
I bring my ponchos.
now it is.
Your hair is flopping at the bottom.
I don't remember the names of the waterfalls, but this one is very powerful. We could feel the water, feel the wind from it way up the hill.
Is this Kimsa? Kimsa waterfall? Name? What is that? I bring my poncho. And the poncho has a hole.
Okay, we're gonna get wet. Take a shower.
I'm not prepared.
What about your shoes?
This is called prepared.
What about your shoes?
I don't care about my.
Okay, several people have told us how dangerous, how slippery this bridge is. So, this is, don't fall, do not fall. Okay, I just saw her fall. Now I need to hold on, go very slowly. It is very muddy, very slippery. Whoa. Okay, I'm soaked. I don't know if you can tell from the video how strong the waterfall is, but it's pretty powerful.
Yeah, I like it. And it's very slippery on the bridge too.
Yes.
You feel me slide.
I'm not even sure where the camera was pointed at that time. I was holding very tightly, but I did see you slip one time. And that made me hold on even tighter. Path took us up to the top of the waterfall.
So do we need to go back the same way?
Okay, a very unfortunate part. We went the wrong way, but we saw a person who was getting brought out on a stretcher. I feel very bad. Oh! But because we are lost, he's giving us a free ride. Back to where we are going. Holy moly.
This was $5.
He is not taking it slow on us. He's not taking it slow on us, he's making us pay for the ride. Oh. It's very bumpy. So we already are past the part where we were supposed to walk to, so he is saving us a long way of hiking. Yeah. But now we have a lot of time to spend at the waterfall. We picked up some additional passengers It's all I can do to hold on and not fall off. Somebody is scaring the llama. He will spit at you. Oh, you scare him.
He smelled at me.
Okay, we finished with our four-wheeling for the trip, and now we are about to start our hike to the La Gran Cascada.
The Grand
And
Cascada.
look at these. I like these.
That's pretty.
Okay, so this is La Cascade de las Niñas. So a small cascade. Okay, this is kind of a challenging part. We need to walk under that waterfall. It looks like the only way to avoid going under the waterfall is to go out there in the deep in the water. Probably better to just take your shoes off and walk it. Okay, we decided to take our shoes off. We took our shoes off. It's cold. We should have.
Cold.
But we didn't. Ouch. You need me to hold him? I don't know.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay, that was fun.
Oh, my feet are frozen.
We are 200 meters from La Gran Cascada, and we have another rope bridge. Not rope bridge. Very dangerous bridge. Is it pretty grand?
Yes. That's pretty grand.
Are you going to?
Grander than the other one.
Are you going to take your clothes off and get in like the other people? It is 3:12 right now. Our car is coming at 5 o'clock, so I'm glad we didn't have them come at 4 o'clock now, or else we would be running to get back. Okay, time to take my shoes off again. Heading back into the water. What?
It'll be easier from there until we get a little bit wet.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can take a shower. It won't be a little bit wet. By the time you make it all the way across.
No, okay. Oh.
But I didn't feel, this morning I felt good after getting wet. It wasn't bad after my clothes dried off.
But the stuff is going to get wet. I don't want to get wet.
Okay, you didn't take your shoes off this time. Yeah, kind of hurts with the rocks. Can't see where I'm stepping. Ouch. This is how I broke my toe in Taiwan 26 years ago. Is there a rainbow? Because the sun is out. Oh, there it is down there. I hope you can see it on the video. If you have a chance, ignore all of the bad reviews and come here, because nice hike in the, lots of shade, hiking right along the river and in the river sometimes.
I don't think those are people, those probably is city people. They don't like to go out, so they want to.
We made it in time for our dinner at the restaurant after our five plus miles of hiking today and walking through the water and seeing the waterfalls. And we get local Molinuco trout and lemonade. I just found out that I have a two-headed fish.
I have one.
I have a two-headed fish.
I got one-headed
I hope that means it's